So for this video, I'm going to talk about the connection troubleshoot tool in Network Watcher. So you just go to its blade here, and it provides the capability to check a direct TCP connection from a virtual machine to a virtual machine, so VM to VM, or from a virtual machine to a fully qualified domain name, URI, or IPv4 address. So anyway, subscription, resource group, and then the source type. I'm going to do virtual machine, and remember it is continuing off of the overview, or creating the network watcher, I guess. So I have two virtual machines here in this VNet, and then one here in the second VNet. Anyway, so let's look at VM1 and the destination. It could be virtual machine, or you could specify, URI, QTN, or IP address. But let's do this, and I'll just choose VM2. And let's check the destination port is port 80, and check. I'll come back when it's ready. So it says status unreachable, and if you look at the grid view from VM1, which is the source IP address, we're going to, this is our next hop, which is VM2, and you can see that it's unreachable, so we can't do it over port 80, but the status is green, check. So the packet can flow from VM1 to VM2, but we can't establish a connection on port 80 through to VM2, and that's because we have nothing installed on the server that listens on port 80. So it would work though if it would reach it if you did have IIS or whatever other web server listening on port 80 for VM2. And here's the topology view, very simple, VM1 to VM2. And so let's change it to VM right. And I didn't do this here, but earlier I have a set up virtual peering or network peering between these two virtual networks. So it's going to, the status is still going to be unreachable, but at least it's going to be green check marks. But if you didn't do that, if you didn't set up a peering connection between the two virtual networks, then it wouldn't. But so you should do that if you want to actually keep them connected. And see, it's the same situation as before. Yeah. Anyway, if you run the IIS on it, have a service on this VM, then it will be reachable. And so that's the connection monitor tool. Connection troubleshoot tool for Network Watcher.